I used to work for York Electronics, who serviced the school system for forever, as far as I can remember. And I worked for them for 25 years, and then the school hired me to come work for them, and I've been here for 15 now doing the same stuff I did for York. So they got a deal out of it. We do the fire alarm, we do the intercom, the clocks, access control, any music system they need worked on, we'll work on. And actually security systems we do also. So we do about anything in the low voltage field. And it's just an enjoyable job.
I got here to Liberty and reached out to him. We didn't have a fob reader on the back door. And then within 24 hours, Darren was here with the fob reader installed. And then within 48 hours, all the teachers had access to get off of the playground. I feel like he makes safety just a #1 priority.
The day usually starts, we're 6 to 2:30 on our hours, and you just never know what's gonna happen. We try to plan them out for projects we have to do, fire alarms or intercoms or whatever it may be.
I feel like everyone should want to be Darren. Like, he's always so positive and nice, and you don't get that from a lot of people nowadays. And then just always, what can I do for you? What can I do to make this district better?
Every day is something new. You plan to do it, you just hope your plan works, but most of the time you end up having to do something else because something's always breaking. But that's what we're here for, and it's our job.